So we got the pruning shears from LotaTools. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your product and also a quick demo of me using this so you have a good idea of what you're going to purchase. But here's what you get. You get the tool itself. You also do get a nice carrying case that latches shut if you need to haul this thing around. You get 2 pairs of gloves. And you get some tools if you ever need to work on it or sharpen the blade. The charging port, and what's really nice is you actually get 2 batteries. So if you do have a longer job, you can kind of interchange these and keep going without having to wait for it to charge. But that's everything you get. I'm going to head outside now and trim up my bushes, and you can see how this thing works. As you can see, this thing is super easy to use. It cuts through the branches like nothing. I was actually surprised at how easy it does do it. Even the bigger ones, you can cut them up in seconds. So very pleased with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.